Lento yokuthi kuzoba nama-players odlala one season then jiki when they retire they become legends. Kumele sikhulume lento leyo because now they are all over the internet bashing ama-players wethu, saying even saying Relay William Fukeng is not the player we think he is. I mean bafethu kanjani? I mean come on bafethu. These people call themselves legends. They only played for one season, just 1 year. Asikhulumi kabi. We're just saying ama-status wabanye abantu of being called legends have to be revoked. We have to work for us to call you a legend. Not just Orlando Pirates. Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs. There are people which we know as South African legends. Abohlompo Kekana, Ojomo Sono, Surprise Muriri, Skaka Ngobese. Bafethu baningi, it's Vilakazi. There's a lot of people we can call legends. Our Spider-Man. So many people we can call legends. We can actually give the legendary status to. People who when they step into i-mic uyabezwa noma bakhuluma. Bafethu asinganingeni abantu amagama ukuthi ama-legend just because they wore iskipper sokuthi no sese-Pirates or se-Chiefs se-Sundowns. No, asingayenzi leyo nto. Ngizwe nomunye abiza uMfukeng nge-legend. Bafethu wo. Yeka nomfana adlale wo.